All right, I'm opening up a Tea Club box from Old Ways Tea. This is not their most recent one. Took me forever to get this one open, but I think this is the second one that they sent. Let's see what we got in here. Ooh. That might be a little bit extra, the dried persimmons. Looking good. What do we got? Addendum. Okay, so this is the December box. We have Da Hong Pao, handmade Da Hong Pao, Huang Mei Gui from a couple different sources. And the last minute, whoops, Jin Feng. All right, well, let's dip into this and see how it goes.